On the floor for the new tenant moving in, they really wanted to have a space that was a showcase and really have that wow factor to it. And part of that was having a very large video wall to put up.
In a boardroom setting, it's hard to get anything over 100 inch, especially in a TV. And you generally, when you get to 100 inch, you're going projector.
Projectors can get complicated because you got the screens and it doesn't have the real good contrast and highlight spaces. The biggest regular display you can get is usually typically around 98 inches, or they make a couple more bigger, but they're not great displays.
And so with calculations and figuring out what was going to work with the room and the lighting, it was easy to find our solution together. Once we identified that LG was the manufacturer we were partnering with, it was a very smooth process working with their distribution partner, Almo Pro AV. And together as a team, we were really able to help the client find the vision that they had asked for.
Doug has been just he always answers. We buy several brands from Almo, and we don't even really solicit competition for them most of the time, because we know we're gonna get a great price, we know we're gonna get good service. If there's a problem, they always fix it. It's never in question.
As far as the LG 136, we've installed probably 40 of them, I suppose, at this point.
It's pretty simple, man. It's, as far as LED walls go, the install goes pretty smooth. Everything is always packaged really nice, really easy to move around. The mount is surprisingly light.
There wasn't too many pieces like other video walls I've installed. There's hundreds of pieces. This one was pretty awesome compared to having to install, 200 cabinets for this size of a LED wall.
I feel like I could teach someone how to put it together after only doing it a few times myself. And it all kind of aligns itself together pretty well. You don't really have to worry about making sure that it's super even. It can only go together one way. And once it's up there, you're smooth sailing.
For the price point, it is hard to beat the ease of install. They work. The longevity of the product is really good.
When you start adding up projectors and screens and all this other stuff, and you get the same, in the same ballpark of the price, what you get out of the 136 is just better.
Oh, I would highly recommend using it just for simplicity, and it looks great.
The seamlessness of the 136, its aspect ratio, its clarity, I mean, it was a no-brainer.
I think it looks great, and everybody's always really impressed when it's up.
You walk in there and you go, whoa, they're not playing around.
It's really easy for us to get content on the wall. They can use them like conferencing walls real simply, putting in branding, their event space, using it kind of like a digital signage board. They can use them for Sunday football games if they want. It works the same. It's really nice. It works really well.
It's a great solution. Clients are happy, installers are happy, the entire team's happy.